here's the finished. I'm going to, mess it up for you guys. Right? Right, and I think it's pretty messed up. Okay, so now I'm going to start my timer, and I'm going to solve the blue face first, and then we'll go through the rest of it. Alright, so I got the 4 corners. Entire blue face with all that. Entire 2 rows. Okay, so these 4 corners are all in the right place. Now I'm just going to put them in the right orientation. Okay, so 4 corners in the right orientation. You can see they're all in, okay, they're all in the right place. This is in the right place, red, so now we'll just put all the other stuff in the right place. Okay, so now they're all in the right place, but they're all up, so I'm going to have to scramble them. See if anything's in the right place, which it isn't, so I'll move it in the right place. Okay, so yellow's in the right place. Okay, so now everything's in the right place. Yellow, orange, white, and red. So now finishing move. And stop the time, and take the watch off. Got that for you right there. Except it's upside down. So is that. No, this is the right way out. Except it's backwards because it's in the camera. It says 243, but it's backwards because the camera, and I totally forgot about that. It looks like backwards 7, backwards 4, and 5. So flip it for 243. And now I'm going to show you some kind of cool moves that you could make your cube look pretty. So the first one is you can switch your middles of the cubes. You just put them all over the place. So like that, and now you see I switched the middles. Okay, and then to undo that I just go like this. Now the middles are back, and then the second one is the crosses, so this, So now, as you can see, crosses are different. They're all different. And then you can mix the two up and, you know, switch middles and the crosses to get a really kind of cool looking cube. You know, colors all over the place. And of course you can fix that like that, and then undoing the crosses.